How to delete Aternos server. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can delete the Aternos server. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So first thing first, head over to the aternos.com and you need to have your server created, or if you don't have one, then you may just go ahead and create one. But if you already have created, for example, this one right here, in order to delete that, you just need to head over to the server and you can find this pen icon. Just go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, this delete option will be enabled. Just go ahead and go there and you can easily find this option of confirmation. So if you want to confirm and delete it, you're just gonna select the yes option. Just go ahead and click on yes and confirm it, and that particular server will be deleted. So that is how you basically delete it. So follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.